Jacqueline. I'm at home today and I am doing a little keto mukbang. So I am really downsizing on the carb intake because I've had a lot of inflammation. I'm not a keto fanatic. I'm not like going keto crazy. I'm not doing anything other than just fasting from carbs for a while. It's minimal. I mean, obviously I am eating a little bit of carbs in my nuts, in what do I have? I have pepitas here. I have sunflower seeds. I think maybe there's less than a gram of carbohydrates in the olives. Maybe there's less than 1 gram in the cheese. There might be 1 or 2 grams in a ranch dressing. I've got raw apple cider vinegar on here. That's really good for your gut health. And I got some straws, baby. So I figured, hey, let's just go ahead and do a mukbang. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, here we go. Yummy. I'm just at home. And I wanted to do me a mukbang for everybody. So I figured, I'm going through something right now. So I was like, you know what will make me feel better? To get my mind off of things and channel my energy in a different way, in a positive way, I'm going to do a mukbang. So, my mouth's watering. I love salad. I love salads. This dressing came from Brooklyn's Pizza. This ranch came from Brooklyn's Pizza. So probably more. I'm going to think about it. I was going to say carbs in it than the unusual one. But it goes with the chicken wings. I had it left over. Amazing. After this, I'm going to take my dog for a walk. We go for a mile walk every day. He loves that. He feels like he's done his job for the day if he gets out for his walk. If he doesn't get out for his walk, he lays around like life doesn't matter. Or like, not like life doesn't matter. What's the look at? What's the look I'm thinking of? If he doesn't get out for his walk. I don't know, he just doesn't feel fulfilled. Like worthlessness? I don't know, that's not the right word. Like, I don't know. But, so it's important to get him out, and me out too, for that. So we're going to do that after. I got Stevie here in like, I don't know, 2 hours. About an hour and a half. And by the way, the pepitas and the sunflower seeds came from the dumpster. They were dumpster finds. Which makes me really happy because I love crunch in my salad. And sunflower seeds and pepita seeds are good for you. And you may know this or not know this, but pepita seeds are good for you if you're low on iron. They have iron in them. I love enchilada. On this one, there's carrots, which I know have some carbs in them. But in red cabbage, come on. I seriously could just make a salad out of red cabbage. Love it. What you see dripping is the raw apple cider vinegar. with the mother. By the way, raw apple cider vinegar is now available at the Dollar Tree that I go to. One of them. So you don't gotta pay like $4 for a bottle at the store anymore. So, if you like raw apple cider vinegar but you're not able to get it all the time, check out your local Dollar Tree, because they have. Last night when I went, I was bummed for a second because I saw just regular apple cider vinegar, and I was like, "What? I thought they had the raw here," and then I found it. So they have raw apple cider vinegar. You know, I'll show it to you. Hold on. You guys, it's White House too. Look. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with mother. So, yep. Really good for gut health. If it has prebiotics in it. I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah. So, I have this last weekend. It's not like pain is a bad thing. Pain is not a bad thing at all. Pain is a very useful tool that we have. There's a lot of good things that happen from pain. So I'm working with my mind about wrapping my mind around the fact that pain has its purpose and going with it instead of resisting it. However, this last weekend, my inflammation was just really out of control. I was very uncomfortable. My back, just uncomfortable, just very in a lot of pain. And I knew that it was from all the processed food I've been eating and all of the, not that those things are bad, friends. All things are good. There's nothing that is bad. There's nothing wrong with the processed foods, okay? Within moderation. Within moderation. The way I was eating them, it's not healthy for you. I'm not saying it's not healthy, but I could feel, I want something different. I don't want to feel this way. Very bloated. Yeah. So, I'm going to give my body a little bit of a rest. And try to offer it some things it's been telling me it wants for a while that I haven't been giving to it. It's not so easy when you're in a pattern of eating whatever you want and then going to, you know, not eating certain things. And I'm always changing. I've been trying to understand food and my relationship with it for a long time. I enjoy food. Because it tastes good. Just like I used to enjoy alcohol. Because I enjoyed the taste and I enjoyed the feeling. I still, you know, whatever. But I did not enjoy it. I do not enjoy the feeling of being hungover. Don't like it at all. Hate it, actually. So I will think about that now before. You know, like before I eat something, I like to feel good all the time. And if I know ahead of time that something that I'm going to eat is not going to make me feel good, then maybe I just shouldn't even eat it. You know, maybe I should just find an alternative option. Excuse me, I'm going to get some whipped cream. And look at these strawberries. I guess I'll do the whipped cream last. Check them out, they look so good. I cut them out last night, they were really yummy. So, I guess I started on Sunday not eating carbs. Just like complete minimum. Like, you know, maybe under 50 grams a day. A couple days was 25, maybe, right around there. But I'm happy with that, because I feel better already. I didn't know until recently that there's certain inflammation that heals the body. I didn't know that. That's pretty interesting. Yummy. They're so good. I think I'm going to grow strawberries this summer. I want to build something to grow them in. I would love the feeling of knowing that I could just walk outside and grab a handful of strawberries and eat them. Love that. I'd love raspberries too. I like to cut my strawberries up. I don't know why. I went and got whipped cream too. That helps me satisfy my cravings. Anyways, I've been on this food journey for a hot minute. I mean, I've been eating food since I started eating food when I was like, what, like the same as us all, after the bottle. I'm trying to understand. Everybody is different. Everybody's belief systems are different. What should I really be eating? What really should I not be eating? And not like a right or wrong way. What is my body like? What would it prefer not to have? You know? Let me get the whipped cream. Okay, so this one has 1 gram carbohydrate per 2 tablespoons. Well, don't mind if I do. Some of you are going to say, that whipped cream would have been good with the strawberries. But I really like the taste of whipped cream by itself. I really enjoy the taste of whipped cream, and I like enjoying it by itself. I love mixing the flavors too. But there's times when I like tasting them separate. I don't know why. Would you like some? Oh, here. You like it? Enjoy. Mmm. 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 Simba's out there. There's something else. We had to dig a little piece of the yard up. And now, just we were looking for where the septic thing was. Not a big little hole. Now all the cats think it's a bathroom or something. I'm telling you what, man. They're so darn cute, though. One more. We're just gonna be bad. We're just gonna be bad girls. And I gotta go take Doobie for a walk, and then. Ooh, that'd be a great thumbnail. Maybe I can get a picture. Ready? Okay. Now get it. You know. Anywho, I enjoyed the mukbang. I'm done with my food. I'm gonna go take. Look, come here, Doobie. Come here, say hi to everybody. Get up. Get up here. You wanna go for a walk? Oop. You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Oh my gosh! You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? Oh my gosh! Okay. Hey, you want some whipped cream? You wanna try some whipped cream? Here. Here. You try. You try. Really? No? Alright. Turns on whipped cream. Tube does. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. So glad to be here with you today. Just kidding. I am gonna do these as much as I can. These little keto mukbangs. I'll just call them that. Anyways, but you know, I think it'd be kind of cool to kind of like, you know, you see all these really professional keto people, and they're awesome. I watch them. I love them. You know, but like, I'm actually not that professional. I'm just a person trying to eliminate carbohydrates, and maybe I'll get to be more professional, but right now I'm at where I'm at, and that's okay. And I'd like to be able to reach out and engage with people that are where I'm at, and I'm where they're at, you know? So it's out there. I'm putting it out there. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.